Who be this one?
Caro International. Caro. Hey! Caro, my person.
Hey.
Hannah.
You miss road?
Miss Road again. Maybe Christmas when we enter like this. I say, I can't spend the Christmas this year for your house.
What? Now my house will they come so?
Before uncle, see, I won't spend like today as to tomorrow now 24. I will spend 24, 25, then on 26. So that you know say our people make them no come they talk for you. Say
then like this now follow come. Now like this follow come.
Yeah, now like this I follow come.
No.
What the only you come? You don't carry gas. You know if you carry food now. Even if you don't carry food, you don't carry gas. You keep cylinder for anywhere. Now be na only you follow come.
What I want you cylinder?
Oga. See you. Now no be time when you say you go person house uninvited. You tell me say you dey come. You don't tell me say you dey come now. You just enter my house with back. You tell me say you want spend Christmas. I tell you say the 5 person wey want spend Christmas with me. I beg. Find your way.
Why can't they talk like this now? This is na normal what would they do for ourselves? Sometimes you go come myself, I go use stove, cook things.
Nothing there normal again. Nothing there normal again. You know, nothing there no. You see for this life now, nothing there normal. I beg you. See, if you want come my house, carry cylinder, gas, come, or even carry food. Don't be saying you go just enter my house, but I can't feed you. Who tell you say I want make person spend Christmas with you?
So if person dey come person house now, you go carry gas again.
That's what it be, bros.
So because I want come spend 24th and 25th for your house, now you know what again?
That's what it be.
No wahala now, man they go. No wahala, Karo, we go see. Say January go come, you go come my house.
Ah, Jehovah, boy, now some man they can't talk about.
That's why we know they can.